Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Windows operating system in a laptop or maybe a PC that you have bought that is running DOS in it. That is because helpful because a lot of people nowadays are buying laptops that are running DOS in it, but they cannot do anything correctly because they don't know how to install the system. So this video is going to help them learn how to do or how to install this Windows. First of all, you are going to need is a pen drive where you have the Windows operating system installed, and this is you have to learn how to install the Windows in it, and that will be a separate video. But suppose you have the pen drive and now you want to install the DOS operating system. So let's start. When you have DOS installed, so basically you cannot do anything because you don't know how to use DOS. So first of all, we are gonna put this pen drive in, and now I will show you two ways, and if one of them doesn't work you can always use the other one. So first, when you start the PC, press F2 fast, and what this will do is bring out your boot menu. So now you can go to the boot tab here and see the boot mode is legacy support. Keep all of them the way they are. See below you will see a list of all the bootable devices that are supported by this PC, and here my HP pen drive is in the third spot. So what I'm going to do is that here it is written that to move it up or down the list I need to press F5 or F6. So based on F6 I'm going to press function and F6, and I'm going to put my pen drive on the top of the list, and this way I put it on the top of the list, and now I'm just gonna press F function and F10 and save and exit the changes. So now when my PC will start, it will automatically take the bootable pen drive. But see, that is happening. It's now taking the Windows 10 automatically, and sorry, Windows 8.1. There's another way that is also easy, and I'm going to show that. So before it detects, I'm going to just turn it off. Okay, so the second way will be when you turn your laptop on, press function and F10. Sorry, my bad. This will be when you turn on the computer, function and F12. You can press it really fast and it will detect. See, it has selected the boot manager automatically. So here you need to just select which boot device you want to use your computer. That is, I can select my HP pen drive, and if I have the CD, I can select the CD-ROM drive, or maybe some other device if I have. So because I have an HP pen drive, so I'm going to select the HP and then I'm going to press enter. This is the more easier way where you can just go and select the menu and it will detect the Windows 8 operating system. So now it has detected the Windows, and here I'm going to select the language to be English United States. I am from India, so English will be India. That is the time and currency format, and also the keyboard will be India English. So now let's go next, and here we go, select install now. So now here I have Windows 8.1, 8.1 Pro and Enterprise. Basically the difference between 8.1 and 8.1 Pro will be some few internal features, and I want all of them features, and Pro has every single feature. So I'm going to select Pro and go to next. Yes, I'm going to accept the license and terms, and again next. Now here there are two options, the upgrade and custom. For the first time I am not upgrading from any Windows, so I'll be taking custom. Okay, So here some space is allotted to different drives, and if you want to start over, that is you want to assign some drives on your own, so you need to delete all the other drives. I'm deleting this partition 1. I want to start over, that is why I don't need any extra spaces. See, now all of them has gone and there is only one unallocated space, that is my entire 500 GB or 465 GB for instance. Now I'm going to add two drives here. The first drive, I'm going to click new and I'm going to enter around 100 GB. So this is MB, so I need to type in such a way so that it understands GB. I want this drive to have 100 GB, so I'm going to type 1024 MB, that is 1 GB, and then I'm going to press 2 zeros, so that makes it 100 GB. Now I'll select apply. Yes. So here there are two partitions are created. One is for some system, because it created some 100 GB. It's not only 100 GB but close enough, but it has also assigned some 350 MB to some other drive for the partition. Now suppose I want to keep this drive as C, so I keep this, and next I have another unallocated space of 365 GB that is left. Now if I go to next, my computer will only show me 100 GB of space, because this space is unallocated. This is very important to remember, to always assign the rest of the space to a new partition, and I am going to assign the entire that is left of MB. I'm going to assign it to a new partition, because if I don't assign this to a partition, see, it is now called partition 3. If I don't assign, I will not be able to see that partition in my laptop. So now that I've created the partitions, I'm going to go to next, and that's it. Now your Windows installation is started, and all you need to do now is wait for your process to complete, and after it is completed, you just go to all the settings such as the name of the PC and what passwords you need to keep. Okay, so looks like it has been done already, and so I'm going to name my PC, suppose anything you want and any color you want to give it. Let me choose this one, and next. So if you want to connect it to a Wi-Fi, you can connect it. Maybe I'll do that later. Skip. You can use Express settings to set it all to default, or you can go through customize and choose each and every setting yourself, but I'd recommend using the Express settings and later naming anything. So if you want to password, suppose any, I'm giving it a name home, and basic 1 2 3 4 numbers. You can give anything, and let's go to finish. While installing Windows, one thing you need to remember is to keep patience, because it will start quite a lot of time, and unless it is stopping for something, some user input, you don't need to worry, because it's happening all in the background. So it does take some time. So there it is. It has Windows 8.1 is installed, and we'll go have a quick check on the partition that we created, and you can see here that the D has been allocated, the free. Okay, this is my pen drive, my apologies. Take this out, and see, you can see that it's installed in the C drive, and here that I have allocated 100 GB, it is you have to double click and format it to get the partition space. You can see the capacity is 99 GB. Let's start it. There you go, it is complete and you have your 100 GB back. So there, so what you need is basically some patience, and it will on your own set up everything, and from DOS you have your Windows 8.1 PC. So that's it from me, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope this is helpful to a lot of people, because I heard from a lot that this has been a problem for how to install Windows 8. So I've tried my best to show you, and if you face any problems, please tell me, drop your comments inside, and do help me get my reach to get some followers. So like and share this video if you like this, and goodbye from now.